See that tail light? The puppy's coming out. I'm gonna show you how easy. But let's see. First thing first, pop her open. We have to remove all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, with this. So let's get these guys out. Just like Toyota, their clips are awesome. Here's your safe space. And keep going all the way around. Exposure. So let's see what these three do, what these three do, and I'm sure there's more, so let's start taking everything apart and see what we need to remove. I don't know about this guy, but we'll see. So let's take it apart. So almost, we got a pin right there and a pin right there, and I use this puppy to squeeze and push. Squeeze and push. Now, I'm seeing some resistance right here. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to pull this guy out. See this little nub right here? Which is awesome because it's also right here in the bumper. There's no way that's all you need to hold this thing in. But that's for a later time. Let's pull this guy out and see what happens. And she is coming out. Now, let's see what's holding. Let's see what's holding this up. We got something holding this up. Is it some weaseling, some finagling? Oh, yes, it was. Some weaseling and some finagling. Because we also did take out these two 10 mils. And I didn't show you these two silver ones. I didn't know if you needed them, but obviously you do. So there you go. Now let's get the rest of the taillight out. I already got the 3 bolts out. I unplugged her. And we are going to see if that's all you need. And that's all she wrote. So let's pull. I don't know. Let's see if there's anything else holding this in. Oh, what is that? That looks like a pin. But I bet you has something to do with the idea that it just holds it in place. So let me get this guy off. Make sure it's the right way to do it. All right. It is. Okay? So with these 3 out of the way, these 3 mongrels out of the way, we get to move forward. So this guy right here pops into this guy right here. Now this black thing I thought was a pin. It actually is the same thing, but the metal decided to win and the plastic decided to lose. And so you can just align this back up and push it back in. I'll show you. So there it is. We're going to put it back in as if we were never here. And what we're going to do is we're going to align this thing to meet up with this hole. It says an oblong, like an egg. Well, more like a pill shape, because there you go. We're going to align this puppy up and push him back in. There you go. So, do you need to pull it out? No, because now it's still back in. And with the 3 bolts back in, you are good to go. So I'm going to say you're going to put it back together because you're going to push, 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 put the 2 10 mils back like you just took out, and put this little guy back in. This squeezes in first, and this locks it back into place. So there you have it. I'm going to put it back and show you it's all said and done as if we were never here. Note to self, start it by hand first. Look, start it by hand first, go easy. Then crank it down. Same thing over here. I already took this guy out. But same thing, you're gonna push up, it'll pop right out just like the other one. So, let's put him back and move forward and get this over with. That's it. Align these guys up in their proper holes. Push this guy in. Align everything back up. Come on. Align, align, align. And then get it in. See it? See it? I'm trying to align this puppy in. See that post back there? Can you see it? I'm trying to get it, but there you go. It's Toyota though. Don't get back. So, put it all back. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.